To our Android user, let's go to our Play Store. So we're going to search for our Play Store. For iPhone user, go to your App Store, and for a PC, you go to your Play Store, or you go to your Chrome Play Store. So I'm going to go to my Play Store now as an Android user. Then once you click on it, you're going to search for Luno Crypto Exchange, or come to the search button here and search Luno Crypto Exchange. You can see Luno Bitcoin. You can see crypto. You can see click on Bitcoin wallet. Luno Bitcoin. You can see click on install, and that is it. This is only no. You use it to buy your Bitcoin. You use it to get a crypto or the crypto exchange. You can buy and you can deposit and withdraw successfully on the new crypto exchange app. So you can see it's been installing. As you are waiting for it to install, guys, kindly subscribe if you are a new user. Subscribe so you will not miss out on any of our new videos. And for our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for all the time. Now let's continue. It's almost done installing. So once you do is just click on here and it's going to download. When it started downloading and it's finished, just it's going to install successfully on your mobile. So let's wait for it. It's almost done. It's almost done. Alright, guys. Alright, it's almost done. It's almost done. So guys, yes, it is completely now. Okay, now so guys, you can just once it is all finished, just open it and stay tuned for our next video. I'm going to show you how to set up successfully on Luno Crypto Exchange. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.